Garage door safety sensors getting blocked by stuff like debris or cobwebs can totally mess with your door's smooth operation and even be a safety hazard. Alright, so those sensors are super sensitive and need a clear line of sight to work right, you know? First off, keep an eye on the sensor lenses and wipe them down regularly with a soft cloth. No harsh cleaners, just some mild soap and water if needed. Make sure there's nothing in front of them, like leaves or spider webs, that could block the beam. If your garage is dusty or you've got a lot of bugs around, check the sensors at least once a week. Also, double check that the sensors are aligned properly, because if they're off even a little bit, the door won't close. If you notice blinking lights on the sensors, that usually means they're not seeing each other like they should. And hey, if your door starts reversing or stops midway, don't just ignore it. That's a sign to inspect those sensors as soon as possible. Keeping these little things in check can save you from a bigger headache later on. One of the biggest issues with garage door safety sensors blocked by debris or cobwebs is that people often don't clean them regularly, which leads to constant false alarms or the door refusing to close. Fix that by setting a weekly reminder to clean the sensors. Another common mistake is not checking the sensor alignment after moving items around in the garage. Always adjust them so the infrared beams connect perfectly. Lastly, some folks forget to inspect for physical damage like cracked lenses or loose wires, which can cause sensor failure. If you spot damage, get it fixed or replaced right away to keep everything working smoothly. BigHomeProjects.com makes it super easy for homeowners to find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff and can fix sensor issues fast. Contractors also get a steady flow of work from people who actually need reliable help, so it's a win-win for everyone involved.